Hey everybody. So look at the jungle that is my sweet potato vines. Here we are at the end of getting towards the end of September. Another week and we'll be done. But the weather's cooled, there's more rain, and the vines have taken over this fence. Of all the years that I've been growing sweet potatoes, the vines have never been this big and green. And they go right over the trellis and right over the other side of the fence, and I'll show you that too. But here I can't even walk my pathway to get to this side. It's just amazing. They've just grown everywhere. And so, another month they'll all start dying back. They'll get brown, and then it's time to harvest. I usually harvest around the beginning of November, when it's around just before Thanksgiving here in the US. But anyways, here's the front of the bed, and like I say, I've just let it grow crazy. I really need more room. Maybe I'll have to expand my garden to give it a life of its own and its own space to grow like this. But it's crazy. I'll go around the other side of the fence and I'll show you how it's growing on the other side. And there is a lizard who are all over. They like to get the sun and to eat the bugs. But let me show you what the other side of the fence looks like. So here's the front of the fence, and you can see how they've climbed right over. And the fence is getting a little old here. Might have to hammer that piece back in, but you can see that the plants have not only invaded our side, but also they're getting over here onto the neighbor's side of the house, which I don't know if he really cares about our sweet potato vines. Now you can see that the people who cut the grass, they're not cutting this because they can see that it's sweet potato vines, and they probably don't want to cut underneath, so the grass is going to get a little bit longer here. But they've, like I say, grown up and over, and that's a good sign. And even this, look at this. For those who don't know, they actually make a flower. That's a nice pretty flower. So if you wanted ornamentals, right, not bad. So we'll just let these go another month, and at that point we should be looking pretty good for harvesting sweet potatoes. But yeah, just a little bit longer and we'll be good. Talk to you again.